Hello, world. Welcome back to Not Just Candle Talk. If you were here for the last two episodes that was uploaded, I had a guest host. So if you were here, that was my guest host, and she did a phenomenal job. I'm going to go check those two podcasts out. Appreciate it. Today's episode, we're going to explore the crucial importance of networking. All right, networking. Whether you're aiming to climb the corporate ladder, grow personally, succeed in business, build personal relationships, explain ideas, boost your confidence, or acquire knowledge, networking plays a pivotal role. Let's dive into understanding why networking is so essential. Imagine attending a professional conference or a social gathering where you meet various individuals from different backgrounds. You exchange contact information, engage meaningful conversations, and perhaps even find common interests and goals. The scenario encapsulates the essence of networking, forming connections that can lead to numerous benefits in various aspects of life. So first and foremost, networking it's a powerful tool for career development. Establishing connections with professionals in the field can open up doors to new jobs, mentorship, and career advance. Networking also helps to stay updated with industry trends and can often be the key to finding that dream job or getting a recognition that propels your career forward. Also, networking is not about just connecting people. It's about connecting people with people, right? People with ideas, and people with opportunities. And also, it significantly contributes to personal growth. Meeting new people and hearing their expectations broaden your perspective. And it helps you learn new skills, right? It challenges you to step out of your comfort zone, enhances your communication and interpersonal skills, which are vital for personal development. Okay, we can all attest to that. For entrepreneurs and business professionals, networking is crucial for business success. Building relationship with other businesses and other business owners, potential clients, industry influencers can lead to partnerships, collaborations, a new business venture. You never know, right? Networking can also help in gaining valuable business insight and advice, driving your business forward in growth and success. According to a study at Harvard Business Review, professional networking can lead to increased performance, promotions, and great job satisfaction. It can also it can lead to all the necessary things you need to propel your career, right? Networking isn't confined to personal reigns. It extends to personal relationships as well. Forming connections with people who share similar interests or value can lead to meaningful friendships and support networks. I have that happen to me before. Met a couple of friends through just networking events. These relationships, they can enhance your personal life, provide emotional support where you thought you never could get it before, companionship and a sense of belonging. Absolutely. One of the most exciting aspects of networking is the exchange of ideas it facilitates. Exchanging with diverse individuals expose you to different viewpoints, right? A lot of times we get stuck in our own views. We stay in this little box, but if you get out there, you'll see people who have innovative thoughts and creative solutions. This exchange can spark new ideas, inspire you, and even lead you to collaborative projects that might not even be possible otherwise. It can also boost your confidence. The more you interact with others, share your ideas, and build connections, the more confident become in social and professional settings. This increased confidence can positively affect various areas of your life, making you more assertive and self-assured, for sure. Confident expert John Smith states, regular networking can transform your confidence level, making you more comfortable in your own skin and more effective in your personal and professional interactions. I agree. Lastly, networking is a valuable source of knowledge acquisitions. Whether it's industry specific information, general life advice, or learning about new technologies and trends, networking provides a platform for continuous learning. By connecting with knowledgeable individuals, you can gain insight that books sometimes and online resources just don't provide. I want to do a quick Q&A. Some of the common questions that might be surrounding networking in a whole. Question one is, how can introverts benefit from networking? Introverts can start by attending small gatherings, preparing conversation starters in advance, and focusing on quality over quantity in their connection. Question two, what are some networking tips for beginners? I would say start by attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and using social media platforms like LinkedIn. And always follow up with people you meet to maintain the connection. Question number three, how often should I network? I think regularly, networking should be an ongoing activity. Make it a habit to reach out, attend events, and engage with your network consistently. And when I say regularly, it doesn't have to be like once a week. I mean, that might be too much, especially for somebody that's just starting out. Maybe twice a month. Starting off twice a month might be a good start. Twice a month, and then you can increase from there, right? So the more you go, the more people you meet, and then you can start going maybe once a week to something if it's something like that in your area, or if you want to branch out, that's even better. So I wanted to touch on networking because it's a lot of small businesses that don't network. They just rely on social media and that's it. They don't get out into their communities and or branch out to any of the organizations that's already in the communities to help with that. And I just wanted to touch on that because that's pivotal in the small business world. It's very important that you connect with someone somehow. If it doesn't lead to an opportunity, sometimes it just leads to information. And everybody knows that knowledge sometimes it comes from information, or information could be knowledgeable, let's say. So I just want to touch on networking. I'm going to end the podcast with just this little thought. Remember, networking is more than just making contacts. It's about building relationships that can lead a lasting friendship, lead to a lasting friendship. So if you enjoyed this podcast, give me a thumbs up, and I will write a review if you can, and I will continue on with these types of podcasts where it becomes into a learning or tip Q&A type of episode. Until then, next time, thank you very much. See ya.